For this one, I mean, obviously I'm gonna get a better bra that's not gonna show the line and that's gonna lift me. But like, do you like the color? Do you think I should get it? And that ties in the same one. It's just less baggy a little bit, like less baggy, but I'm gonna get a better bra that's gonna lift me more higher. But do you like it? I like the color. It's different. It's so sexy. Like literally when I get a new bra, everything's gonna be pushed up more higher. This is sexy. Like, it's so cute. There's this one for like, you know, nighttime or whatever. Obviously it has to be tied, but yeah, I mean, I like them. But the yellowish orangey one, the orange one looks really, really good. Like, this is cute, but the only difference is like when I lift my arm on top, like right here, like right there is like tight, you know what I'm saying? But like everything else is fine. But I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah, I figured out the problem. I just had to tie it. But yeah, it's fine. I like it. It's different. It's very different. So I'm gonna get a better bra though. This